Morning children, this is Sita. Welcome to 7th class IIT chemistry class. Children, previous class we have learnt about ionization energy. Ionization energy, what is ionization energy and factors affecting ionization energy and variation of periods and groups. What is definition of ionization energy? The minimum amount of energy required to remove of electron from valence shell of an isolated neutral gaseous atom is known as ionization energy. Ionization energy what is ionization energy? It's not if you remove of electron. For example, if remove of first electron to require some energy, that energy is known as first ionization energy. To remove of second electron from valence shell requires some amount of energy, that energy is known as second ionization energy. And third step, to remove of third electron to require some amount of energy, that energy is known as third ionization energy. Next, factors affecting of ionization energy. Factors affecting atomic size, nuclear charge, shielding effect, screening effect, penetration effect, and next factor half-filled, full-filled electronic configuration and net charge. Atomic size is increases, ionization energy decrease. Atomic size is decrease, ionization energy increase. Next, variation of periods and groups. In periods from left to right, atomic number is increase, atomic size decrease. Why? Because valence electron enter into the same cell. That's why size decrease. If size is decreased, nuclear charge increase. Why? Because the attraction between the nucleus and outermost shell somewhat increase. That time you require more amount of energy, so more ionization energy needed. Okay. Next, so in periods from left to right, atomic number is increase, atomic size decrease, ionization energy increase. In groups from top to bottom, atomic number is increase, atomic size increase. Why? Because valence electron enter into the same cell. That's why size increase. That time the attraction between the nucleus to outermost shell decrease. So if nuclear charge decrease, ionization energy decrease. Okay. Today that concept over. All of you practice worksheet bits in ionization energy lesson. Now today we are going to learn about electron affinity. Electron affinity means ionization energy. What is definition of ionization energy? The minimum amount of energy required to remove of electron from valence shell. But here electron affinity means the amount of energy released when electron added to valence shell. So here electron added release energy, but ionization energy electron remove required energy. Here electron added release energy. In ionization energy electron release, electron remove. That means required some energy. But here the electron affinity means the amount of energy released. The amount of energy released when the electron added to valence shell. This is the definition of electron affinity. The amount of energy released when the electron added to valence shell of the neutral gaseous atom. Is called electron affinity. Is called as electron affinity. Is called as electron affinity. Electron affinity denoted EA. Ionization energy denoted IE. Ionization energy denoted IE. Electron affinity denoted electron affinity EA. So this is definition of electron affinity. The amount of energy released when the electron added to valence shell of the neutral gaseous atom. If you take one metal, so what is definition? The amount of energy released. If addition of electron added to electron added to valence shell. If addition of electron to energy released. So if you take metal, if you add one electron, if gain of electron to get negative charge minus 1. Okay, to gain of metal, if you take metal, if if addition of one electron to get negative charge. Here some energy released. That releasing energy generated negative charge. So this is electron affinity 1. Okay, here energy released. Okay, A1 means here energy released. Next, if you take metal Mg, already one electron is there here. Next, if you added second electron, if you added second electron to get M minus 2 charge, M minus 2 charge. Here, this metal having already negative charge. This electron having negative charge. If added this electron, this negative charge to this negative charge, repulsion takes place. That's why energy not release, energy required. If addition of electron, here some energy required. So this electron affinity denoted E2. E2 means positive. Positive means here required release of energy. Released energy. Here energy released. Here energy released. Here energy required. Energy required. Here energy released. Here energy required. That's why here negative charge. Here positive charge. Here negative charge means energy released if added of electron. Here if added of electron, energy required. Why? Because here metal having negative charge. This electron having negative charge. Negative charge to negative charge repulsion takes place. That's why energy required. If you added third electron, so to get M minus 3 charge. Here also this is we have two negative charges there. Here this electron having negative charge. This is negative charge to negative charge. Repulsion takes place. That's why here some energy required. E2. So E2, E3 means here second step and third step some energy required if addition of electron. Energy required, addition of electron. Here addition of electron, energy released. If energy released atoms is called as exoergic. This is exoergic. Energy released atoms is called exoergic reaction. Energy released is known as endoergic. Endoergic. Okay, this is definition of electron affinity. The amount of energy released when the electron added to valence shell of the neutral gases atom is called as electron affinity. Electron affinity denoted EA. So electron affinity, in first electron affinity energy released. Why? Because here this metal containing positive charge, if added one electron to get negative charge. Here the electron added if release of some amount of energy. That energy is known as EA1. This reaction is called as exoergic reaction. Energy release reaction is called as exoergic. Next here, second reaction. This metal having already negative charge. This atom having negative charge. If added second electron, this electron having negative charge. This negative charge to negative charge repulsion takes place. That's why if addition of electron to requires an amount of energy. That energy is called as plus EA2, electron affinity 2, second electron affinity. And third electron affinity, if added third electron, this here also having negative charge, this electron having negative charge, this negative charge to negative charge, repulsion takes place. That's why here also energy released, EA2, EA3, electron affinity 2, electron affinity 3. These two reactions is called as endoergic reactions. This one first reaction is called as exoergic reaction. Second two reactions are called as endoergic reaction. First reaction is called as exoergic reaction. Why? Because energy released. Here energy required. Energy required. What is ionized energy? The minimum amount of energy required to remove electron from valence shell. In ionization energy required. In electron affinity, energy release in first step. In second two steps, if electron added, the energy required. Why? Because here negative repulsion takes place. That's why energy required. Next So first reaction is called as exoergic. Exoergic. What is the definition of electron affinity? The amount of energy released to the electron added to valence shell of the neutral gaseous atom is known as electron affinity. So EA1 electron affinity one having this is one. This reaction is called as exoergic reaction. Exoergic. Why? Because here energy released. Next EA2 EA3. Here negative mean energy released, positive mean energy required. This reaction is called as endoergic. Exoergic reaction. This reaction is called as exoergic reaction. This reaction is called as endoergic reactions. Endoergic reactions, some elements exhibit endoergic reactions. Some elements mean example noble gases and noble gases and organic earth metals. These two group metals are exhibit endoergic reactions only. Noble gases and organic earth metals. Remaining all elements exhibit exoergic reactions. Only endoergic reactions exhibit noble gases and alkali earth metals. This is electron affinity definition and example. What is definition of electron affinity? The amount of energy released when electron added to valence shell of the neutral gaseous atom is called as electron affinity. Electron affinity denoted EA. So electron affinity, if you take one metal, if added of electron to form negative charge, if addition of electron to get negative charge, that negative charge, that means the energy released, that energy is known as EA1. Electron affinity first, EA1. Next, in second step, in second electron added, this electron, the electron repulses takes place. That's why here energy required. And third step also, third electron added, here also some energy required. So EA2, EA3 both are endoergic reactions. EA1 is called as exoergic reactions. So endoergic reactions elements only noble gases, 8A group elements and alkali earth metals. Second A group elements and 8A group elements exhibit endoergic reactions. Remaining all elements exhibit exoergic reactions. Next, factors affecting electron affinity. Factors affecting the electron affinity. Factors affecting electron affinity. In this concept, 3 factors is there. Factors affecting electron affinity. Factors affecting electron affinity. Electron affinity another name electron gain enthalpy. Electron gain enthalpy or electron affinity. Okay, factors affecting electron affinity. 3 factors is there. Atomic size. Second one, nuclear charge. Third factor, electronic configuration. Factors, 3 factors is there. Atomic size, nuclear charge, electronic configuration. If atomic size is increase, electron affinity decrease. Atomic size is increase, electron affinity decrease. Atomic size inversely proportional to electron affinity. EA, electron affinity. If atomic size increases, electron affinity decrease. Atomic size inversely proportional to electron affinity. So these factors equal to ionization energy factors, electron affinity both are same. In ionization energy also atomic size is increase, ionization energy decrease. Here also atomic size is increase, ionization energy decrease. So electron affinity, atomic size is inversely proportional to electron affinity. Atomic size inversely proportional to electron affinity. If atomic size is increase, addition of electron, very easy. That time some energy released. That energy is known as electron affinity. Electron affinity. So your atomic size is increased, the nuclear charge decrease. That time to electron affinity also decrease. If atomic size is decrease, nuclear charge increase, electron affinity increase. Okay, atomic size decrease, nuclear charge increase, electron affinity also increase. If atomic size is increase, nuclear charge decrease, electron affinity also decrease. This is atomic size. Next, second factor, nuclear charge. Nuclear charge directly proportional to electron affinity. Nuclear charge directly proportional to electron affinity. Nuclear charge directly proportional to electron affinity. If nuclear charge increases, if nuclear charge increase, if addition of electrons somewhat difficult. Why? Because nucleus attracts to that electrons. That's why two energy required. Okay, a nuclear charge increase, electron affinity also increase. If nuclear charge decrease, electron affinity also decrease. Next factor, electronic configuration. Electronic configuration, if you take stable electronic configuration, if you take stable electronic configuration, stable electronic configurations mean all-field fulfilled electron orbitals, all-field and fulfilled, all-field fulfilled electronic configurations. Stable electronic configuration elements mean off-field and fulfilled electronic configuration elements. So due to off-field and fulfilled electronic configuration, if you take off-field fulfilled electronic configuration always stable. That's why there is no accept any electron. That's why electron affinity low or 0. Keep in your mind, in stable electronic configuration elements, electron affinity value 0. In stable electronic configuration, electron affinity value 0, sometimes low. Why? Because stable electronic configuration elements did not accepted additional electron. Why? Because already stable. Okay, stable electronic configuration mean off-field electronic configuration and full-field electronic configuration. Off-field electronic configuration mean, for example, nitrogen having 7 electrons, 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Here 2p3 mean how many orbitals? 3 orbitals, 1, 2, 3. This is off-field electronic configuration, already stable. That's why there is no accept any electrons. So ionized energy, electron affinity value 0. For example, fulfilled electronic configuration, oxygen electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p4, 2p oxygen 2p4. Oxygen don't get. For example, neon 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Here p orbitals having how many electrons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is fulfilled electronic configuration. Fulfilled electronic configuration already stable. That's why not accept any addition of electron. Okay, not accept any addition of electron. That's why electron affinity value 0 or low. The stable electronic configuration, electronic configuration mean off-field fulfilled electronic configuration. There is no accept any addition of electron. That's why electron affinity value 0. Okay, Nana? Okay, once again revise, listen. Electron affinity, other than electron gain enthalpy. The definition of electron affinity means the amount of energy released to electron added to valence shell. Release electron added to valence shell of an neutral gaseous atom is called as electron affinity. Electron affinity denoted EA. Electron affinity another name electron gain enthalpy. So ionized energy, if you take the minimum amount of energy required to remove of electron, but here addition of electron energy released. But then in that ionized energy, if removal of electron energy required, here addition of energy released. That little bit variation is there, electron affinity and That energy is known as electron affinity. Second electron affinity, EA1. So that reaction is called as HO-Edging reaction. In second reaction, already metal having that atom having negative charge. If addition of electron having negative charge, relative charge to negative charge repulsion takes place. That's why if addition of electron to release some amount of energy, that energy is called as second electron affinity plus EA2. Next, if you add a third electron, already repulsion takes place. That's why some energy released. That is called as third electron affinity. So, electron affinity more, which one? So, I forget electron affinity value. Which one having more? EA3 more. Next, EA2 as EA1. Electron affinity, here energy is energy required. So, electron affinity, which one more? EA3 is more. Okay. Next, factors affecting electron affinity: atomic size, nuclear charge, electronic configuration. If atomic size increase, electron affinity decrease. Okay. Nuclear charge. If nuclear charge increase, electron affinity also increase. If nuclear charge decrease, electron affinity also decrease. Nuclear charge directly proportional to electron affinity. Atomic size inversely proportional to electron affinity. Next, third factor, electronic configuration. If you take stable electronic configurations elements, stable electronic configuration elements mean half-filled and full-filled electronic configuration, there is no accept addition of electron. That's why electron affinity low, sometimes 0. Okay, Nana? All of you learn in your textbook what is definition of electron affinity and factors affecting electron affinity. Nana? Thank you. See you next class.